gas pedal and brakes. What does this have to do with your health? Well, our sympathetic or fight or flight nervous system is like our gas pedal, and our parasympathetic nervous system is like our brakes. We have to have balance when we drive around town of each. But if our gas pedal is on all the time, we're sympathetic dominant, we're going to be in fight or flight, our gut is going to be contracted, we're going to digest horribly, we're not going to sleep well. It's like our gas pedal is on all night during sleep, and so we wake up feeling like we haven't slept because everything is been running at high speed all night. And then what happens if you drive around town and you have no brakes? Well, one, besides crashing, you're going to eventually crash, and when you crash, things are going to spin the opposite way, and then you got nothing but brake. And when we have nothing but brake, we're parasympathetic dominant, and we can't generate any energy. We can't get going at all, and we're in a burnout stage. And so it's very important that we have these balanced. When we have too much fight or flight and gas pedal, then we need to do the Hummingbird exercise, which I've referenced in other videos, and you can find that on our YouTube channel, the Hummingbird exercise. And that will help get the parasympathetic nervous system working so we can work these properly in balance. If we're parasympathetic dominant, we need to do some serious work on the autonomic nervous system, and there's likely a hidden chronic infection like Epstein-Barr virus that has caused the brake or the gas pedal to just not function anymore, and the brakes to be over dominant. And so we get better gas mileage in our health and in our car when these are working right, and we don't crash into things when these are working right. We can drive around town smoothly. And so if you want optimum health, you have to get your sympathetic nervous system and your parasympathetic nervous system working properly. And we can do that with our quantum neurology work, our neurofeedback work, which is brain training with a computer, supports that. Our left and right brain balancing adjustments work on that, and we have nutrition that can help that as well. So get your sympathetic nervous system working right, get your parasympathetic nervous system working right, and be able to shift between the two, and you'll have a healthy and happy life. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined. Like us on Facebook and share us on and subscribe to us on YouTube.